Hi and welcome back to my video. This one is a garden light where the solar panel and the LED fixture blew off in the wind and was laying upside down on the floor for weeks. So let's tear it apart and see if we can fix it. Alright, I thought I'd have a look at this, see if we can find our way in it. Get rid of some blue paper, just in case anything mucky comes out. So the switch on off, it's got an LED, oh, a bit crusty, and the solar panel. Thing is, how do we get it out? Can't see. Anyway, it's going to come out. So, eek. Something's been living in here. Well, it's seen better days. Is it worth trying to resurrect it? I don't think it is, but let's have a look. The screw out. Pretty seriously rusty. The switch is gone. Up there. What should we do? Is keep going at a shot, don't I? So I know where the wires go back. Makes you wonder if any of the tracks have dissolved. Let's say bring in different camera. I have to buzz out the tracks and see if they still make connection, because that looks a bit iffy around some of those tracks. That's the switch can come off. We won't need the switch again. But we really need to get in there. I've got a brush, but I don't want to get my brush really dirty. So I'll keep rubbing it like this. What do you reckon the chances of it working? Let's find a multimeter. Meter onto beep beep mode. Let's go back to the main camera. She's over here. And we'll just buzz some of these tracks. So that one's okay. That one goes to there and there. That one goes to there. That one goes to there. Goes to there. A lot of tracks seem okay. Expect the battery's flat. battery. That's as flat as a pancake, so to speak. Doesn't seem to be much in the way of battery protection. The solar cell, hang on, the solar cell, there was some, maybe we'll have to draw out the little circuit. That's positive, so that must be the negative. Yeah. Bit messy. So we'll come back when it's a bit cleaner. Well, I found the wife's toothbrush, so I thought I'd start cleaning it. While cleaning it, we had our first casualty. So I put the microscope on. It's eaten through the legs of the diode. It's one of the worst bits of corrosion in the entire thing. And it looks like, is it down there? Yeah, you can see it's severely weakened it there. Must be a lot of iron in these legs. So, one knackered LED, which I find my microscope's gone, turn that off. So it looks like now we're going to need, let's get the microscope out of the way. We're going to need to remove what's left of the legs. For a shoulder on. Don't know why I'm even bothering to fix this. One leg out. I need a solder sucker. One of them. I got something that keeps squeaking. I can't find what it is. Weird. I wonder what it is. Turn the power supply off and see if it makes any more noises. It's very weird. Right, put that on pause, I think, while I go and find another LED. Right, back. Found a few white ones. So, where's the flat on it? Flat's there. Flat. Right. Soldering iron. Cutters. No silly putty used. Right. So we'll charge the battery up, shall we? I might be able to do that. I'm not sure if my leads are long enough at the moment to do that. We're going to put positive on there. And about 2 volts on there. Charge battery up a little bit. Then when we disconnect, it will be the solar cell going dark, so the light should come on. And there we have it. One working solar cell. What about a solar cell? One working little board. So, next thing I suppose is to put that to the side. Tin these wires. Oh, maybe the black. Maybe this is suffering from crappy wire. Yeah, seems to maybe have taken some solder. Oops, a bit warm. Oops. Get your fingers to hold it just right. That's the wires out. Not a very good hole, but there it is now. And then you want the negative wires out, which are under here. Right, that's them out. So yellow. Onto there. And red. Into there. And somewhere around here was a screw. Oh, where's the screw gone? Screw. Found it. I've removed the switch. Can't see it. I've removed the switch because it was just as rusty as hell, and just soldered across the on part. Oh, there's a bit where it goes in, I suppose. Does it go? Yep, must go down there. Back in its hole. Whoops, bit of light. Turn it over. So, it just needs to go back outside now. If I stick it under one of my little lights up here, bring it down, turn it over, charging up. Well, quick fix. Doesn't want to go. I can go back out in the garden and join the otherwise garden lights ready for the summer. That, whoops, that is destined for the bin. Well, that was just a quickie. If you like what you see, hit the subscribe, hit the notification bell, you know what to do. And I'll catch you on the next one.